You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app.
In this video, we'll show you how to change the front light bulbs on a Dacia Duster 2. You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To change the H1 bulb on the full beams, remove the cover on the radiator. Take the black power terminal and pull on it. To remove the bulb, press and pull upwards at the same time to release the clip from the holding lug. Rotate the clip to the right and remove the bulb. You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Take the new bulb. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. As you are inserting it, you must hold it with one finger while another searches for the hook to slip it back into position. Reconnect the electric connector. Put the cover back on.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
To replace the turn indicator light bulbs, rotate them a quarter turn anti-clockwise by grasping the black base, then remove the assembly. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb into the base. Then insert everything into the lights and turn it 1/4 turn to the right. To change the H7 dipped beam bulbs, remove the cover on the car body side. Pull on it, making little back and forth movements. The bulb should come out easily by pulling on it and making small forward and back movements. Remove the light bulb. Take the new bulb. Clip the bulb into place in the connector. Then insert the hole into the light block. Ensure you follow the instructions on putting the bulb in the right way up and push it in until you hear a little click that says it is locked in place. Put the cover back on. The side lights are LED and cannot be changed. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.